Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to prevent duplicate account creation when multiple customers created in Shopify belong to the same company. Instead of creating a new account every time data syncs to Salesforce, the system intelligently identifies existing company records and automatically updates them with new contacts. Let's get started by logging in to Salesforce. Navigate to the integration settings and ensure that the account duplicate prevention based on company name feature is enabled. Next, go to Shopify, create a new customer record, and enter the required customer details along with a company name. Save the customer record and allow the synchronization process to complete. Once synced, navigate to Salesforce and verify that a new account has been created with the company name and the customer has been added as a contact. Now, return to Shopify and create another customer with different details but use the same company name. Save the customer record and wait for the synchronization to finish. Return to Salesforce and open the existing company account. Refresh the page and notice that a new account has not been created. Instead, the new customer has been automatically added as another contact under the existing company account. This ensures that all customers from the same company are associated with a single account, helping maintain clean and accurate data without creating duplicate records. So, this is how you can prevent duplicate account creation based on company name and automatically associate new contacts with existing accounts. Thanks for watching.